Hi there, welcome. Thank you so much for looking at our calculator today. My name's Dan. I'm the owner of 123 Whiting Marketing Company, and today we're going to be talking about the 5-star review rating Go calculator. How do you exactly use it? How do you find the information? And what information on the form is it really telling you? So we're going to start off. Make sure you have a pad of paper, okay? Because you're going to get some numbers. You need to write down. I'm going to show you where to find the number of 5-star reviews, 4, 3, 2, and 1-star reviews you have, or your competitors or other companies out there you might want to dive into and see how they're doing and how you can maybe educate them on their system. So how to do this, go to Google Maps, find a company you like, you want to do a review on. So today we're just going to be doing Italy, okay? Italy, that's how you say it. We'll dive into them. They've got currently a 4.2 rating, 6,059 reviews total. So now we got to find out how do we break those 6,059 reviews down to the number of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1-star reviews. So the best way to do it is you got to be on a laptop or a desktop computer. You got to have a mouse to do this, basically. Okay, it won't work on a cell phone or a tablet. So what you do is you bring your mouse down to where it says reviews. You click on it. You'll see this right here. Put your mouse right there in the center. Right click. Go down to inspect on here. Now when you do this, you might not see what you're looking for. Or as you can see, we don't see any number of reviews or anything like that. So you bring your mouse over and you do it one more time. And this will automatically bring it up. As you can see right now, there we go. So now we got 5-star reviews is 3,593. We've got 4-star reviews at 1,327. We got 3-star reviews at 491. We got down here 2-star reviews, 225. And then they got in 1-star reviews, 423. Okay? So make sure you get all that information wrote down so you can easily do this unless you're smart and you can just remember all this. Okay? So now we're done with Google Maps. We don't need to deal with it anymore. We go back to the 5-star review rating Go calculator and we're going to put in that information. So under 5 stars, we need 3,593. That's what they had. 4 stars, we had 1,327. On 3 stars, they had 491. On 2 stars, we had 225. Oop, put a 5 there. And then on 1 star, we had 423. So now you can see there is 6,058 total reviews. They currently are at a 4.2288 actual review, even though it shows only 4.2. They're moving up. That's what they're doing, okay? They're only got 4 stars. This is the goal rating calculator. So we want to know if you're a business owner, you can see how many 5 stars it's going to take for you to move up. I don't know if you know this, but Google does halves. So basically, if this company hit 4.25, it will automatically round up to 4.3. Now, of course, that company would have to go a complete circle to 4.35 to get to 4.4. So there's going to be a lot of 5 stars in between that complete, we call circle. But they've already moved up. So if I type in here and say 4.25, this will round up to 4.3 for them. Okay? So I just hit calculate needed 5 stars. It shows us they will need 172 more 5-star reviews to reach a rating of 4.25. This will adjust your average to approximately 4.201. They're going to get one extra movement towards 4.5, 4.4, I'm sorry. Google will round up the rating to 4.3, which they will. It'll show 4.3 in the system. So that's how many 5 stars. That's a lot of 5 stars in a row. It can be done. You just have to have the best service. So basically what this does, the impact of one new review shows that on a 5-star, it will increase just 0.0001. A 4-star will just, it won't increase, but you're probably just not seeing the continuation where it could be 6, it could be anything past that bottom number. Number 3, if they got a 3-star review, it's going to cost 0.002, 2-star 0.004, and a 1-star 0.005. So big difference you can see on a 1-star. Now down here it'll say if you got those low reviews, a 5-star, you're going up. So you're doing fantastic. A 4-star, if you got, will cost you 1 5-star new review. If you got a 3 rating, it'll cost you 2 5-stars. A 2 will be 3, and a 1 will cost you 5 new 5-stars. You can imagine you're trying to get 172. Your next review was a 1-star. Well, guess what? Now you need 177 to get to that 4.3. And during that, it's very hard to get 172. It's not easy for any company. But you can imagine now, you got an idea what it's going to take. A lot of companies are doing, special offers to their employees to help them boost morale, help them boost happiness, help them boost doing their job correctly, and always smiling, always happy. It's a great tool that we like to use to help motivate, to make sure employees know. And we know it's not always the employees. The customer coming in could be having a bad day, right? Why do people give 1-star and sometimes they might just say the coffee was cold? That's not a 1-star. We all know that, right? They're just sometimes not nice. But sometimes people have a tough day. So sometimes we just have to be a little bit extra and caring, understanding to maybe get them to give us that better 5-star review rating. I hope you like this calculator. I think companies can really use it. This video will be in here that we're making right now. A little bit about 123 Whiting Marketing before you go. We specialize in restaurants. We specialize in getting restaurants more customers, better reviews, of course. We help customers to build opted-in lists so they can start marketing back to them. We don't really do advertising. We believe your customer base is your advertising. So we'd like to show you how we do this so you can actually market back to them through email and SMS. And we have a lot of other ways to help build your business to get more customers, bringing you more revenue and at a much better price. So please, in the bottom of this, you're going to see our footer. Our information will be there. Please get in touch with us. We'd love to talk with you. Have a blessed day, and thank you again for stopping by.